last time I'll have to do this.
Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to explain what puts the scented in reliability scented maintenance. When I turn my heater on fan level 1, fan level 2, or fan level 3, the fan doesn't work. It only works on level 4. But that's a problem because, as you can hear, that is really, really noisy. And I have to keep turning it off and on to keep the temperature the way I want it in my vehicle. In other words, it's not giving me what I need, and that's what puts the scented in reliability scented maintenance. A machine is bought for a reason, and that reason needs to be specifically defined. And that's the first step in the RCM process. The first step is writing functions. And writing functions is really important for two reasons. Number one, functions allow an organization to document specifically what's required of an asset so that the RCM team can determine if the asset is capable of serving in that manner. And number two, functions serve as the foundation of the RCM analysis. The decisions made during an RCM analysis are formulated to ensure assets are maintained to that level. Amongst other things, as the owner of this vehicle, I want to be able to keep the temperature inside the car constant. But I can't with this failure because I have to keep turning the fan on and off, on and off. It's really loud and it's really annoying. For me, in my operating context, it's not that big of a deal because I can keep getting to where I need to go. But what if I regularly conducted phone calls with clients while I drove? Or maybe I regularly recorded a podcast while I drove. That would definitely be detrimental. Or in other words, in RCM talk, it could have operational consequences because people wouldn't be able to hear me clearly. Now we got to get to Subaru so we can figure out what specifically is causing this failure and we can get it fixed so I can get exactly what I need from my vehicle.
The cause of failure was a failed resistor. Subaru replaced it and I was good to go. It was a random failure that, in my operating context, had non-operational consequences, so it is okay to run it to failure.
I'm Nancy Regan. Thank you for watching.